Hi guys, welcome to video class. Let us today we learn about the new lesson, a lesson for Nakul. Change your attitude and the world changes for you. Is the message this lesson conveys through the simple incidents that Nakul experiences when he befriends the new boy admitted to his class. Answer the following questions. The boys of class 6 came out of the examination hall. Akash asked Tarun how he had written the mathematics paper. Tarun replied that it was difficult but he had answered all the questions somewhat satisfactorily. Then Nakul came out. He was in a bad mood. When Akash asked him, he answered that he had spent much of his time in answering the difficult questions and did not find time to answer the easy ones. Akash consoled him, saying it was not the final exam. He suggested Nakul to write faster the next time or set his watch 10 minutes ahead so that he could solve all problems. Nakul replied angrily that it was easy for him to give suggestions. Akash was a lame boy. He had joined the boarding school at the end of the term. That night, Akash woke up and found Nakul sitting on his bed. He asked Nakul what was wrong. Nakul was worried, thinking that he had forgotten to write his name or the roll number on his answer paper. Akash took him to their teacher, Mr. Varghese. Nakul told him about his doubt. The teacher took out the answer papers, checked them, and said to Nakul that he had written his name and roll number. He also said that there was no need for him to panic. A few days later, the boys were getting ready to celebrate the school's annual day. Nakul was given an important role in a drama. Nakul was diffident because he had to learn a number of lines. Akash promised to help him, and with Akash's help, Nakul learned all the lines. Nakul acted well in the drama. He thanked Akash for his help. The next day, they went to a picnic. Nakul declared it was going to rain. Akash replied that it was going to be a fine sunny day. He asked Nakul why he always looked at the things with a negative attitude. He advised him not to spoil other people's happiness with his pessimistic views. An annoyed Nakul left Akash and went to join other friends. As predicted by Akash, the day was fine and all of them enjoyed except Nakul. Nakul was hiding behind some rocks. He overheard his teachers talking about Akash. Mr. Varghese admired Akash because he was always cheerful in spite of his disability. The game's teacher agreed with him and said he liked Akash for his courage. Akash's parents did not want to admit him into a boarding school and expose him to the difficulties of boarding school life. But Akash had insisted that he would join the boarding school. The teachers thought that Akash with his cheerful attitude was a good example to the other students. This conversation made Nakul realize his mistake and recognize Akash's good qualities. He recalled the insistence when Akash had helped him. Nakul understood that Akash's cheerful, positive outlook helped Akash to live happily. Nakul also admitted to himself that his constant grumbling must be irritating others. He decided to develop a positive outlook towards all things. He went to apologize to Akash for his rude behavior. Nakul asked Akash how he remained cheerful despite his handicap, which did not allow him to join others and play. Akash confessed that he felt hurt at first, but when he heard his grandmother's advice, he had decided to be happy always and spread cheer in his own way. Akash grandma had said that no one would weep with him if he was always sad. He would not be lonely if he was brave and happy. He would always find a silver lining, and even if the day was grim and sad, there would always be a brighter tomorrow than the previous dull day.